how to remove uninstalled app from App Store. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how you can remove uninstalled app from App Store. Guys, when you install any app from App Store, it will show in your download and install history. So in this video I will show you how you can remove it from your App Store. First of all, you need to open App Store. Okay, after open the App Store, you need to tap on profile icon. Okay, after tapping the profile icon, as you can see showing here apps, tap on that. After that, you can see appears on screen all apps showing here in my iPhone right now that I install in my iPhone. Even it's not installed right now, but it's showing in a history. So how to remove that from iPhone? You need to slide it. You can see appears on screen and tap on hide. After do that, you can easily uninstall app from App Store that you installed previous on your iPhone App Store. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to do that. Hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.